Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Guernsey County, Muskingum County, until 8 p.m. At 7:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Zanesville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Cambridge, New Concord, Gainesville, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Philo, Pleasant Grove, Pleasant City, Salternham, Norwich, Campbellville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 145 and 182. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 38 and 55. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Northwest South Pittsburgh.